Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having a good day and living a healthy life. So in this video I've come again here for doing the English practice exercise. If you watch my previous videos, so you know that I'm an English learner. I do upload the videos of speaking in English language. So currently I've chosen a new way of speaking and basically improving myself, which is by doing taking pictures and building a story, and that is the way like we can improve our imagination and content as well. So I'll add the picture in this side. You will see how these pictures look like, and after checking that picture, we need to speak on the that create a story by that picture and speak at least two to more than 2 minutes. So let's jump into this video. So basically I've write down some words which is related to this picture, and you can also speak it on the picture by creating exercise for this kind of, right? So let's jump into this video. So if I see the picture, basically there is two friends which is playing by ball, and his mother coming up. There is that one is Sam, who is like playing with his friend uh, Mike, and there is mother of Sam's mother, who is angry because they are playing inside and they are just not eating the food which is on table, and she is going to serve more food for them, but they are still playing, and because of playing she is also afraid they are not break the piano which is beside from the dining table. So yeah, that's why she is angry, and she just want to stop them to playing and just suggest them to play outside of the house. Just finish the breakfast, and there is a chi- like chicken as well, which they are going to which she is going to serve, and after completing these all things, they are basically banana as well, which is on the table, and they are not finishing that, and there is multiple basically there are multiple things which they are going to eat, and that there is very sunny day because of in the sunny day they are not able to going outside for playing, and so for this video I think I'm able to articulate only some content. Basically I need to speak more on this picture, basically elaborating more more than 2 minutes. I think I can do that. Basically in previous time as well I have done that, and so it is a very creative way of improving your imagination, and you can build content by doing these activities. So upcoming days I'm going to do it. This is my first day, and because of that I'm not able to speak more, and I didn't able to articulate some really good content. So upcoming days I will do this kind of practice, and I will spend more time because like today I just spent 10 to 15 minutes before that uploading creating this video, but it need to take time at least 1 hour. So because you need to find out your mistakes as well, because in every if you are making the mistakes again and again, so you are not improving, you are not focusing on your mistake and improvement as well. So this is a part which we need to focus on. I hope that you will also focus on this as well. So on this note I'm completing this video. I hope you find it helpful. Bye bye, have a good day.